So over here you can see that this is the default workspace that you get when you start a new project inside of HitFilm. If you want to go ahead and change your workspace, then all you need to do is go around onto the Windows tab, Windows menu right here, and then go to Workspaces. And over here you can see that you can access out different workspaces right here. For example, you can go around and access 360 viewer right here, which gives you a workspace to work with 360 videos. Then you can go around over here and access all panels, which enables out all the panels that there are in the workspace right here and arranges it out in this order. You can go around over here onto Windows and see other, like if you want to work around with the audio, then it gives you the audio panels right here. Similarly, if I were to go around over here onto Colorist, then you get access to the Colorist workspace with scopes, as you can see right here, which is more for color correction. Then you can go around over here, access out compositing if you want to work more with effects. So this is the workspace provided for it. So similarly, you can see that there's editing workspace right here, which allows you to work around with edits and focuses on the trimmer and the main viewer, as you can see right here, along with the effects and the main timeline over here on the bottom hand side. Then you got organize right here, which gives you more like an organization option right here by giving you more media view, as you can see right here. You can go around over here onto vertical video, which allows you to work around with vertical video in case you want to create out videos vertically for different social media platforms. Then you can use this view as well, which arranges out the timeline over here on the left hand side and rearranges out the workspace so that you have more of a vertical view for the videos. You can go around over here onto workspace, and then if I were to, let's say for example, make changes onto the workspace right here, let me just go around and keep it right here. Let's say for example, and keep this one out right here. I have my own workspace, and if I want to go ahead and save this, then I can go around over here onto Windows, then to Workspaces, and then save the workspace right here. So once you go around over here, you can go around and type in what you want to save this workspace as. So this way you can create a custom workspace as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say TutuTube custom right here and press OK. And now this has been saved as TutuTube workspace. So if I were to go around onto workspace, you can see your custom workspace right here. You can go around over here, and then to get back to that particular workspace, you can simply choose this out right here. So if I were to go around over here onto workspaces, you can save the workspace and create a new one. You can reset out the workspace as well to get to the default workspace. Or you can delete out the workspace, like you can choose the custom workspaces that you have made and you can select it and you can simply go around and delete that out as well. And that is how you can access out different workspaces and even create the custom workspaces inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.